This is Surface Laptop 3. You can see its craftsmanship. It's meticulously crafted. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But what makes it so beautiful? We deliver 1.3 millimeters of perfect travel, about a 19 millimeter pitch between keys, and this ever so subtle dish on the keys. So when you put your finger on it, your finger just floats right in, and then it brings this perfectly silent typing experience, which is so important. We've also increased the trackpad by 20% from Surface Pro 2 to Surface Pro 3. This was important because that precision pointing is also critical. Don't miss that. We wanted to add the elements of serviceability, repairability, things that matter for customers. When you put people at the center, what do we need? I need to change the keyboard, I need to change the screen, but you don't want to affect the beauty. You can't. All that elegance goes away. Most of the time when you make a product that's serviceable, there's lines, there's extra weight, there's extra thickness. You'll see what I call trap doors. I can't look at them, they drive me crazy. But on this product, we've done none of that. I just want to show you really quick. We have the same perfect design on the product, but just like that, the top can simply come off. I now want to show you the new Surface Laptop in this beautiful sandstone finish with a fully integrated aluminum chassis. We're using a quad-core 10th gen Intel part, and this is in the 10 nanometer Ice Lake family from Intel, which means you're getting incredible performance in that same thinness and beauty of the product. Some want more screen real estate, and we've heard it. We've heard it. Now we're excited to announce to you the new Surface 15-inch Laptop 3. Look at that screen. There is nothing out here that compares to it. And the team has been working with AMD for quite some time to build you a custom experience on this product specifically. I'd like to introduce to you the AMD Ryzen Microsoft Surface Edition processor. This is the most powerful mobile processor AMD has ever created, bar none. I want to talk to you about another important feature of the product and its battery life. You still get all-day battery life, but I also want to introduce you to fast charging across the entire Surface product line you'll see today. Fast charging is important. Yeah, I heard the wow. What you see there is 80% charge on a full-powered PC in less than an hour. That's what you get in your mobile phone today. The 13-inch laptop is on pre-order right now, as is the 15-inch laptop, with the 13-inch starting at $999 and the 15-inch starting at an amazing $1199. We're pretty excited for you to get it. It'll be in your hands on October 22nd.
I'm holding the new Surface Pro 7, redesigned from the inside out. Surface Pro is the most popular 2-in-1 on the market. Over 75% of our Fortune 500 companies purchase Surface devices. Our design and engineering focus has been on power, performance, and better experiences. Oh, and adding USB-C. This is the new Edge browser. Great browsing experience, optimized for battery life. The other thing that Word can do is it can now do inline editing, which means you can literally delete or add with your pen in the document. This is going to be a great hike. That's even faster than I could have typed it. I love the ability to do voice to text across the platforms. And that sound was captured by the new studio mics, which are also in Surface Laptop. So your phone app gently prompts you, and this is a new feature that is coming available in the next few weeks, where your phone calls are integrated right into the Surface where you're working. So my Samsung phone can stay in my pocket, and I can either accept this call or I'll just reject it and it will send a text message right now. Anthony's nose. And that's 7.6 miles, 2421. It's available for pre-order today, and it starts at only $749. Today, I want to talk about our latest addition to the Surface audio lineup. We designed these with Office to bring your best productivity experience to your ears. Take a look. Surface earbuds. True wireless earbuds with amazing sound, comfortable to use all day with long battery life, and a little bit of magic. Each earbud has 2 mics per ear and filters for better noise reduction, letting us pick up your voice rather than the sounds around you. They work on any platform and have 24 hours of battery life. There are touch sensors on each earbud to help you navigate music and calls. You never have to take out your phone. The captions you see on the screen are created by the earbud in my ear, Microsoft Office, and Azure Cognitive Services coming together to create captions in real time. We can also change the language. So if you aren't presenting and speaking the language of your audience, we support over 60 languages, and it will translate as you speak, just as it did here. Surface earbuds will be available later this year, starting at $249. We hope you love them. Thank you.
And as the world becomes more mobile, cloud-based, as we all focus and think about what is the intelligent edge going to push the boundaries on, we wanted to push the boundaries, create a product that's this perfect intersection of mobility, productivity, and speed. And the dream was, let's take a mobile architecture, same architecture you find in your phone, but then let's push that to a fully functioning, powerful PC. Take a look. So this is Surface Pro X. Start with the display on this product. We have a 13-inch diagonal, so from corner to corner on this screen, let me introduce you to the custom Microsoft SQ1 chipset. So this is a chip that we're super proud of course, but it brings together the Snapdragon mobile DNA alongside an integrated AI accelerator. Now ARM chips, they normally run at about the 2-watt range. So if you're using a phone today, it's probably pushing around 2 watts, maybe a little bit more, but not much. But we also know how important performance is to our customers, so we wanted to push power on this product. And with the design of Qualcomm's engineering team, they are amazing at what they can do. With SQ1, we pushed the boundary, and the ARM-based platform is starting at a 7-watt chipset. What the heck does all that mean? Let me just tell you in plain terms. How about that? Better battery life, lighter, faster, unprecedented performance. That's what this category is all about. That's what you need in this product. Here you go. Let me just get to this, because it's absolutely my favorite feature. Watch this, if you can get this. Holly, take this shot right here. Do you see this? I'm gonna open the type cover, and I'm gonna pull out the pen that's stored right in it. This is the Surface Slim Pen. Now, what did I do? I just pulled out a pen that's constantly recharging, that's always there for you. Surface Pro X is a super powerful product. We got that. The GPU pushes over 2 teraflops, and that's incredible work with that custom design with the Qualcomm team. It's combined with LTE, it has this fantastic screen, and it has an incredible pen experience. Robin talked about the pen experience, but the new pen even drives it further. Better latency, better tilt, 4,096 points of pressure, all of that's real.
We want to show you one of the first great creative tools optimized for the Surface, Adobe Fresco, our new painting and drawing app. Fresco recreates the feeling of painting and drawing with natural materials, especially with our live brushes that reproduce the behavior, the actual behavior of oil and watercolor paints. It's amazing to see technology like that with algorithms that took years to develop to determine how these oils and watercolors behave into a demo like that. It's awesome.
Surface Pro X is going to be available early November. You can pre-order it right now. I suggest if you want it, you should probably pre-order it. So get on that. We're pretty proud of this lineup. It's our largest lineup we've ever shipped. We believe this helps this symphony forward. What did you think of this lineup? We're pretty proud of it.